Our radishes are growing bulbs now. Lovely bulbs. Hello everybody! It's starting to get a little nippy outside and a little blowy. It is now fully fall. And today we're going to be working on some preparations in the greenhouse to reduce ongoing maintenance. We are going to be doing a thorough weeding of everything that is in the hoop house and then mulching it all over. And what that's going to do for us is it's going to allow the plants that we leave and have leaves above the mulch to continue growing while preventing new weed seeds from sprouting.
This is about 1,000 in a hand.
It is not. Slowly but surely, we are going from this to this. Lovely. Not spinach.
So why are we doing this? Why we put all the stuff around those good plants?
Because we want the good plants to grow, but we don't want to have to do the tedious picking up all the weeds over and over again. What we want to do is let the good plants get sunlight, the bad plants or weeds die.
So we use those ones to let the bad plants stay and settle to kill them.
Yeah, we are choosing which ones survive because the rest are evil.
Yes.
Don't agree with our empire.
Yes. Vampire don't eat weddings.
Select who we want to survive.
Okay, this took a really dark turn. Egg glass, everybody.
Great. Your right hand.
And I like to draw.
Quick to draw. Learn to draw with your left hand.
Like to draw. I like to draw. I like to draw.
Is that this one dead?
Looks like a weed.
That one's dead wheat.
Okay.
That's one of the ones we pulled yesterday. So it is dead. The evil plant is dead.
Jen will take over the world one country at a time by covering them up with mulch.
I will.
When they can't see the sunlight for a year.
Oh
They'll go
jeez.
stir crazy.
What? Feels good, right?
It's fine. Oh, I actually thought it was animated. No, it was real people. It's kind of hilarious. It's not animated.
dockery. Diggy hole.
It's like
Wow.
down there.
That's one.
You
Would you
may.
even get these from?
I just dig it. Okay, Alma.
Oh my god, I still see it.
No, can't you, like, if you come to my side, you can still see there's a...
Shen, you
Yeah.
better.
It might be deep enough and small enough that it'll die, because at this point we're down to it being this thin, so let's bury it back.
Are you
And
sure?
I think so. Push all the dirt back in, and I think it will die.
Okay.
Well, things are looking beautiful in here. This should reduce the ongoing maintenance that we have to go through in taking care of the hoop house for the remainder of the season. Yeah, things are growing really well, especially the radishes are already producing. And everything else is coming right along. And I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye! Goodness, look at the size of these radishes. They're so big and beautiful. And then the turnips are just starting to grow their bulbs.